Hi, this is Steven Scarlatus of Pocketnow.com. In part 2 of my Celio REDFLY mobile companion video review, we're going to take a look at how well the REDFLY displays several applications. First, we'll take a look at some of the applications on the 2.8-inch screen of my Verizon Samsung i760. Excel has always been a tough application on a small screen. Here, I have downloaded an Olympic schedule spreadsheet. And you can see that it's not too user-friendly. Next, we will take a look at using the PowerPoint viewer. I downloaded the same Olympic schedule in PowerPoint format. This is quite a large file, but Windows Mobile does a great job at rendering. The page action is smooth and the graphics are accurate. We'll exit out of PowerPoint and now take a look at Adobe Reader. I downloaded the REDFLY FAQ PDF to view. I personally use Adobe Reader quite often, and it can be a struggle to move and zoom around a document, but it's definitely doable. Now, let's plug in the USB cable and see how well the REDFLY renders these applications. So the REDFLY detects the device and brings up the Today screen. We'll start off with Excel and bring up that same Olympic schedule spreadsheet. This is one application where the REDFLY really shines. This is the PC viewing experience using your Windows mobile device. Next, we'll bring up PowerPoint and display the Olympic schedule PPT. The load time is a little slow, but as you can see that the rendering is accurate. We'll page through a couple slides and you can see that the paging is a little slow compared to the native Windows mobile display, although all the graphics are accurately displayed. We'll exit out of PowerPoint and now try the Adobe Reader. We'll select the REDFLY FAQ PDF. As you can see, REDFLY is extremely slow at rendering the entire page. It's actually quite excruciating. But the completed page is rendered accurately. Now we'll try to zoom in to make the columns readable. And as you can see, the rendering of the text is also very slow. this is clearly not an application that shines on the REDFLY. We'll exit out of the reader, and now we'll bring up an application which is in my list of Never Leave Home Without, which is Windows Live Search. We'll select the map view and display the Washington, D.C. area. As you can see, it's great to view the map on an 8-inch screen. We will move on to Pocket Internet Explorer and see how well the desktop version of the National Weather Service website renders. As you can see, the REDFLY does a superb job of rendering desktop websites. I'll go ahead and input the Washington, D.C. zip code and look at the local weather. The format and graphics are displayed accurately, and we should also give credit to the accurate rendering of Pocket Internet Explorer. That does it for part 2. As you can see, the REDFLY does a very good job at rendering with most applications. I'll be back with a look at the keyboard and USB functionality in my next installment of the REDFLY Mobile Companion video review.